أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Suratul An'am, Ayah 71 to 75. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the All Merciful, the Very Merciful. قل أندعو من دون الله ما لا ينفعنا ولا يضرنا ونرد على أعقابنا بعد إذ هدانا الله كالذي استهوته الشياطين في الأرض حيران له أصحاب يدعونه إلى الهدى ائتنا قل إن هدى الله هو الهدى وأمرنا لنسلم لرب العالمين. Say, should we invoke besides Allah something that can neither benefit us nor harm us? Should we turn back on our heels after Allah has guided us? If we do so, we will be like the one whom the devils have abducted to a far off land, leaving him bewildered even though he has friends who call him to the right path, saying, "Come to us." Say, Allah's guidance is the guidance, and we have been ordered to submit to the Lord of the world. وَأَنْ أَقِيمُوا الصَّلَاةَ وَاتَّقُوهُ وَهُوَ الَّذِي إِلَيْهِ تُحْشَرُونَ. And establish Salah and heed him. He is the one before whom you are to be gathered. وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق ويوم يقول كن فيكون قوله الحق وله الملك يوم ينفخ في الصور عالم الغيب والشهادة وهو الحكيم الخبير. He is the one who created the heavens and the earth with purpose. On the day he says, "Be," it the resurrection will come to be. His word is the truth, and his is the kingdom. On the day the horn shall be blown. He is the knower of the unseen and the seen. He is the wise, the all-aware. وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ لِأَبِيهِ آزَرَ أَتَتَّخِذُ أَصْنَامًا آلِهَةً إِنِّي أَرَاكَ وَقَوْمَكَ فِي ضَلَالٍ مُبِينٍ. Remember when Ibrahim said to his father Azar, "Do you take idols for gods? I see you and your people in manifest error." وَكَذَلِكَ نُرِي إِبْرَاهِيمَ مَلَكُوتَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلِيَكُونَ مِنَ الْمُوقِنِينَ. Thus we showed Ibrahim the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, so that he might be firm in belief. Sadaqallahul Azim.